Okay. 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 Congratulations to the entire Ikenga family.
Thank you, Stepmom.
For you have produced the highest chief in Alando Kingdom, in the person of High Chief Jasper, aka the Royal Goat.
How dare you dignify a thief who came to the city to steal my money with a chieftaincy title? Hey, come, Jasper or whatsoever they call you, return my money now before I open my eyes and close it now.
Shut up, woman! How dare you? Any more words from you, the gods will strike you.
Let the gods do their worst, Ezemo. How could the so-called gods allow you to be such an authority on Jasper? Who doesn't know Jasper in the whole of this community? Hey! Papa! Papa!
Enna, gbado n'anya nwa m, oh, Ijeoma. When next you come back, I'm going to make you a special meal. Mano phone, tetara no go ben, Elachakwan, oh, nwa m, gbado anya, oh.
Don't forget to call me if there's any issue. Oh? Don't wait. Actually, I know go. One problem, just call me. 2 problems, give me 2 missed calls. No. 3 problems, just keep calling. I will come back here with my bulldozer. Huh? Your son did too much.
High chief. Odogo.
I'll be on my way.
Ngwana mama, oh.
The city needs me.
Yes. Ngwana, badanya, oh. Ngwana. Bye nwa m.
Nene, as long as I keep seeing that grave over there, You will never have peace in this house. That I promise you. Is it Ogugo? Is it Ogugo?
Ogugo. Gonye. Do your worst.
Eh? I should do my worst.
Do your worst.
I should do my worst. Come back here. Where are you going?
Gonye. I'll bite your nose. I will bite off your nose.
You can't do nothing.
Gonye, I'll bite off your nose.
You won't do anything.
Gonye.
Nothing.
Gonye.
Am I sure that Chief is here? This one, his car is not parked. Am I sure he's in the site? Let me. Oh, what a buruburu one! Oh, what a buruburu one, my high chief!
Oh no! Oh no!
I almost thought you were not in the site because I didn't see your car around there.
I parked my car.
Oh,
this boy is working for me. I don't know what is wrong with them. I gave them 500,000 for them to put parapet for me. But I'm coming here. I'm seeing nothing. Yeah? I will turn them to ant too.
Oh, what a buruburu one! You see, I said I must come and congratulate you for giving your father a befitting burial. You are more than a high chief.
That is what makes me a full-fledged man, a high chief in this community. I mean, of what use am I if I don't give my father a befitting burial? What will people say? That the goat, Jasper, greatest of all times, didn't give his father a befitting burial. How will it sound outside?
That is good. At least you made us proud, having you as one who has the highest chieftaincy title in the land.
Of course, we are not two. Of course. That is why. Where are you heading to, though?
Oh, you see, I was just coming from Mazi Okoro's house.
Okay.
You know, he has been bedridden since he stepped on that poison.
Oh,
yes.
It's a very bad thing, but what can we do? That is what we have to do as the people alive, to check on the sick ones.
That is true. So, how is your mother and your late father's wife?
Oh, they are just there. They are just there. I've been spending a whole lot in the family. But that is what makes me the first son and the only son of the family.
That is true.
So they are there. Everyone is fine. So far, so good. So far, so good.
That is good. It's all right. It looks like...
you can join me. Let me drop you.
It's high time you did something about Nkonyere in that house. A woman you married for your husband. Just because you experienced little delay in bearing a child, she's now giving you fire in your own #1 house. Okay, fine. Something must be done. What will you have me do? I have done virtually everything I can think of in my head. I have fought her over 1,000 times. What else do you want me to do? You are always talking about the physical things you have done to her. Have you not had the spiritual controls the physical? Chukoti, are you suggesting I go spiritual? Must you hear it from my mouth? Don't you know? Just wait. Noreba until she goes first before you. Have you forgotten her daughter is rich and she can afford any kind of dibia?
Wow. So, safe treat my daughter. Charles.
Mama.
Please. Biko. Take good care of her for me.
Mama, don't you trust me? Eh? Don't worry. Your daughter is in the safe hands. Mama, listen, you should be more worried about you. Now that Papa has gone to rest, you are the only one we have. You have to take good care of yourself. Always eat good food. Always take your drugs and make sure you rest. Hey, Mama.
I will, my son.
Very good.
Thank you very much.
Mama, my mom, please take good care of yourself for me. Don't allow those that killed Papa kill you for me, Mama. If they look for your trouble, give them fire for fire.
Hey, Mama. What are you talking, sir? If there is anything hotter than fire, that is what I will give them.
Mom.
Only trust is wrong.
Mama.
It's okay, let's go.
Mama, no problem.
We're running late.
I'll miss you.
Alright, we'll miss you too, Baba.
Alright.
Yeah, let's go.
Hey. Bye-bye.
Alright, Mama, take care of yourself.
And you too.
Let's go now. Are you alright?
You still haven't told me what happened to me. This is the car we left the village with. No accidents, no bashing. Tell me, how did I land in the hospital?
Babe, come on, just relax. So listen, you need to rest first. Like I told you, I will explain everything to you, we'll talk about it.
I'm not stepping down from this car if you're not ready to tell me how I landed in the hospital.
You had epilepsy.
Epilepsy? Me? Epilepsy? How? Where? God forbid! That's not true. How can I have epilepsy? Charles, no, that's not true.
Yes, come on, relax. Huh? See, listen, you're fine now. That is the most important thing. You're very, very okay now.
Hey.
So please, let's go inside. We'll talk more about it.
Epilepsy.
Just wear your shoe. Let's go.
Epilepsy. I cannot have epilepsy. No, Charles, that's not true. I cannot have epilepsy.
Stop. You're fine now.
Epilepsy.
Fine now, huh? Let's go inside.
Me epilepsy.
Don't worry. You're fine.
God forbid, I reject it.
Let's go inside. Let's go. Sorry. Let's go. Let's go. Drag me back.
Epilepsy.
Stop. You're fine now. Stop.
Epilepsy.
Chief, please, I want you to use your connection with D-Way to stop my uncle from collecting the only parcel of land my father left for me. Please.
Who is your uncle?
Chief, Cletus Idejimbao family.
Oh, just say chief. He's not even high chief, and he wants to collect someone's land.
He has been selling all the land my father left for me, and now he wants to sell the only land remaining. Please help me. I'm ready to do anything. Please.
So if I'm getting you correctly, you want me to use my position as the Diokbara Buruburu 1 to reclaim the land your uncle is trying to collect from you?
Yes, Chief.
Okay, that one is not a big deal. We've been doing it for people. That is why we are here, to help people like you. Okay? It is not a problem. In that case, you have to bring 200,000 naira for high chief consultation fee. Then we can.
No problem. Anything I will do it. As long as I don't lose my land, please.
Oh, very good. It's in your hands. Go and bring the money. Then you see us swing into action.
No problem.
That is what. It's all. Chimu. So he actually went to get the money. So this is what high chiefs have been enjoying. Since I became the high chief in this community, I have been cashing out too.
From one case, another case, another case, equals to money. Is that so? I have finally high chief balance, no leave, no transfer. So this is what Igbo people say. Another woman who things. In fact, if there's no problem, I will use my hand and cause another problem. Let's money get back.
Musa, what do you mean fire everywhere?
Fire and
My God! My God! Fire, Musa! Hey! 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 Fire! My shorts! He said fire! Musa said fire! He said fire! No!
Fire where?
My shorts! I don't know, he said fire! The shorts! He said fire!
Stop crying.
Nkonyere! What are you doing here? What are you doing in the family farmland? Huh? What are you doing here?
Oh, you even know it is a family farmland. Yet, you were shouting like a mad woman all the way.
Me, mad woman, making cobra find its way into your womb. Do you have a husband? Do you even have a son that will partake in the sharing of the family property? You don't have. Automatically, you have nothing. All you need to do is to calm down, wait patiently until my High Chief Jasper gives you, at least decides on which smaller part of land to give you. Or this mighty one, you didn't even go to a smaller one. What is wrong with you?
Sometimes, I suspect you go to a corner and smoke that thing your son used to smoke. Look at how you are disgracing and showing the whole world how mad you are. Can't you just pretend as if you are normal for once? For once!
Is it me you're talking to like that?
Yes.
A woman I married with my own money talking to me like that? Ha! And you called me a smoker?
Yes.
Me nene smoker?
Smoker cable.
I will smoke you here and now.
Hey! I am ready. Let us smoke.
You are trying me.
Can I smoke?
Don't worry. I just begged you to come.
You have forgotten.
Me there and saw that nothing for you. Why didn't you?
Bianconia, have you lost it? Huh? How dare you enter my piece of land to do what? With your miserable self? Are you mad? The next time I see you close to that land, thunder will fire you. You and your generation.
Jasper, may that thunder fire you and kill you there. That same thunder will pierce you and butcher you into pieces. And no fear.
Did you just insult the High Chief? Eh? No, did you just talk to the High Chief Jasper in that manner? Eh? Well, I thank God we still have law in this land. Be ready to give the High Chief Council one bull.
And I will be ready to pay the fine as long as I have told you the truth that you are a fool. You are a big idiot. Useless old fool, that is what you are.
It's no longer one bull. You will bring one bull and a head of crocodile for calling me.
Anything you want, I will do it, but as long as I've given it back to you. Rubbish!
I see you have all the strength. Eh?
How
brazen! How brazen! How brazen! Okay, we shall see. We shall see! We shall see!
We shall see nothing!
You're challenging me.
I'm challenging you.
You're challenging me. Okay. Okay. Like that.
You people will hear it from me. Anyhow you want it, I'll give it back to you. I am ready for both of you. Rubbish. Putakwa ozoke ififem gemeri.
What goes around must surely come around.
This one you came back without your
If only metala ofulo if only nemeno wilisi yawe alumina palapa mwelo kwalo if only nemeno wilisi yawe.
And then, okay, this one you didn't come back with your car. What happened? And I'm talking to you. Why are you crying? Ogini.
Mama, everything I have, everything I own has crashed.
God forbid. Crashed? In fact, let's go in so that we can talk. It's not what we stay here. Let's go inside. Chima! Chima! Adamam! Abba! Chima! Ayaka mejolo! Adamam! Abba! Chinekeme! Adamam! Abba! Adamu! Somebody help me!
Okunya lulu manusia, what goes around must surely come around.
Come and see what the Lord has done. Come and see what is it? God has done it for me. Adama is back. The child walks. So how is she now? Come and see what the Lord has done. 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 Yes, the Lord has done it. The charm works. Yes. So how is she? Shattered. Finished. In fact, she used her own mouth to confirm the negativity. She said her life has crashed. Is it my fault? She confirmed it with her own mouth.
She has not seen anything yet.
Where?
Watch and see how she will perish in this village.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you very much. Haven't I told you? She now suffers from Odoyo.
Which one is Odoyo?
Epilepsy.
This is just the beginning. But you must do something about the mother before she finds out what is behind that daughter's condition.
No problem. It's a good idea. I am ready. Anywhere you want us to go, I am ready. I will follow you. God has given me victory. I will lift him higher.
Charles duped you, sold your house, and ran away. Oh, this world. Who can be trusted again?
Mama, Adana is back to square one.
Hey! Ow! Hey!
All because I helped a brother and someone I trusted, my fiancé.
Hey!
Mama, where will I start from now? Where?
God, why? Why watching us suffer like this? Why, God? Why can't you fight our battles for us?
After all the good I did for them. God, I leave everything to you. If my condition pleases you, so be it.
Oh.
But if truly you fight for the righteous, God, please remove this shame from me.
It's okay. It's okay, my daughter. Save me, God. Stop crying.
Mama.
It's okay.
Mama, oh my. Mama, I'm tired.
It's okay. Stop crying.
Mama, I don't know what to do.
God
Mama.
will fight our battle. Of this. Why are you sweeping that side? Allow the occupants of that house to sweep it themselves now, eh? Ngwa, drop that broom. Oya, come.
Mama, don't bother yourself. Don't worry yourself, eh? This is my father's compound. I know what I am doing. Eh? I am not sweeping this place because for those thieves, those hoodlums. Useless people.
Mba, my daughter, Mba, Adana, don't call your grandmother and your elder brother thieves, you have to apologize to them.
Mama?
Yeah.
Mama, did I hear you well?
I said you have to apologize to them. Let's go.
Mama, leave me alone. What is wrong with you? I will never apologize to those thieves. I will never. Rather, I will die.
No. Then there is your grandmother. Chief Jasper is a high chief. We must love and respect them always. Let's go and apologize to them.
Mama, leave me alone. What is wrong with you, Mama? I will never apologize to them. Rather, I will die. Why will I apologize to you? It's just I'm not even sleeping again. What is wrong with you, Mama? Look at you. You're just behaving as if you are drunk. Go and apologize to them. Go and apologize to them.
I will not give you out till you come. Let's go and apologize to them. Look at this man. Come, let us go and apologize. I am sleeping here.
Sir, as you can see, keep coming. Don't mind this thing. Okay. It's this side, like this now. You can see that I've faced them. You understand? This particular... sorry. This particular one belongs to my brother. Don't worry, I've dashed him already. So from here now, I dashed him. Forget it. So this place now, round, is what you buy. So just from this way to this side, like this.
Well, the land is very small. I thought it's very big, you know.
No, sir, come and see it now. It's big. From here, count from that way
And
down.
all these blocks are part of the...
No. My brother actually molded them for his building. But don't worry, I own this land. I just dashed him this side. So from this well side now, you can buy it.
It's small.
It's not small, guys.
So how much do you want to sell?
6 million naira.
6 million. I'll give you 2.5 million.
2.5 million?
Yes.
But in 2.5 million.
3 million.
5.5.
3 million.
5.5.
No.
5.5.
No, it's on the high side.
No, it's 5.5 plus.
No, it's on the high side.
No, it's 5.5 plus.
Is that so?
Are you expecting someone?
Sir, don't worry.
So with 250 words, explain to me what you people are doing in my land. Is it that you are now blind not to have seen the notice on the wall that states this land is not for sale?
Jasper, I can see you are totally gone stupid. You must be very crazy to think that the land I bought with my hard-earned money is your land. Have you forgotten that I gave my father this land as his birthday gift?
Okay. Let's assume that you gave this land and now our late father is here. Now, who is meant to inherit our father? Is it the he or the she goat?
That is your own cup of tea and you will drink it. All I care to know now is that I must sell this land. It is my land. So whatever you are saying is your own cup of tea. Please, Oga, come and see. As I was telling you, this place now, you see this whole side like this? This side like this.
I'm very sorry.
You know why I don't want to talk to you when I came here? Because I believe that you know my position in this community as the high chief of this community.
I know you.
Very, very good. So it's for you not to say that tomorrow somebody will use pin and lessen your tongue. I will advise. I will do what? Advise. You carry your big head and your big clothes and get away from this land.
Hi Chief, why are you insulting me?
Why am I insulting you?
Yes.
You're asking the goat, greatest of all times, why he's insulting you.
I'm very sorry, High Chief. I'm very sorry.
What is this, sir? Are you asking me what is it? You're blind? Eh? She's dancing disco. You're asking me what is it? She's dancing disco. Can you see the person that wants to sell my land to you?
Let's help her.
Let's help Guinea. Don't you know that Akuku is contagious? It's very, very contagious disease and I don't have time to talk. My friend, get out of this place. Akuku client. You want to sell the land that does not belong to you. Now you're dancing at Jasco just like that. Eh? Oh. Now, wow. So good. Please don't spoil my land though.
is that wretched witch? Nkonye! Anubinofia, come out here and I set you ablaze. Oh, if Rocco Saga goes on, what are these caterpillars doing in my compound?
I'm here.
You are here. May thunder strike your mouth. May your mouth smell worse than a rotten corpse. What is this caterpillars doing in my compound? Huh?
No, I'm still peeling it. I want to bring water. I want to drink.
Why did that water choke you to death? Huh? Listen, have I not warned you to finish your dirty farm works at the farm before coming into my compound? Why must you bring this trash into my compound? Napala!
No, please. I will pack them when I finish my cassava. I will pack it.
May you die there. May thunder strike your mouth there.
Yeah, sorry, Rico. No, forgive me. I will pack them.
Listen, go right. Go and pack them. Go and pack them. Go and pack them. I will. Because I'm packing them.
No, I don't go, ma.
Idiot.
Oh, no, let me do it. I'm doing
pack everything. Pack everything.
I'm doing it. Let me
pack them. Pack. Start now.
I'm doing it now.
Why one place you're not doing anything? You see me, you're doing it. What are you doing? Idiot. If I come out here again, 1 second and see one drop of this, I will evict you from this company. In fact, you're a tenant. You have always known you're a tenant. That is what I will just evict you. Idiot.
What goes around must surely come around. If any less or yeah, better pretty fair. Wepa kema no feti po la kamado inano. If onye meta
For what? Adanna! Adanna, are you now deaf? Has poverty affected your brain? Poverty have now affected your brain. That people now act abnormal in my own house. So you and your miserable mother have taken littering my compound as your daily routine, eh?
What is it this time?
Thunder fire down your mouth for asking me that stupid question. You're asking me what is it? Is it that you cannot see with your miserable eyes how you've turned my compound to a refuse ground? Are you mad? Huh? So is it because I allowed you people in this house? Is that the only crime I committed now? That I allowed you people so you can litter my compound the way you like? Listen and listen very good. If this nonsense continues again in this house, I'll be forced to take you people out of this house.
Jasper, you must be very sick to think that you can sack me from my own father's house. Is it because my mother agreed to stay in this house? A house you did not even mud 1 block! Rubbish!
Mwabu Jasper!
You don't have to talk to a hygiene like that.
David! You see? You see?
The father of this household. You want me to sack us out of...
Listen to your imbecile mother. Listen to her. You're asking if she slapped you. I will even tell her to load you more slaps. I hope your battery is fully charged now. No, is it fully charged? Or you want her to load you another one to charge it full? Stupid girl. Don't worry. Oh. The next time I come here again, it's no longer to shout, it's to take you people out of this house. Because I can no longer entertain nonsense.
Please.
Don't touch me. Carry your mother. Carry your mother.
Let me see this compound like this again. Very stupid people.
Mama, what is wrong with you? What are they giving you? Mama?
Just look at everywhere. Because I have people in my house.
What goes around must surely come around. If any always yeah, better pretty fair. Wepake mweno feti kwa laka madu inano. If onye metala opulu if onye nemeno wilisi yawe. Alonina palapa mwelo kwalo. If onye nemeno wilisi yawe. If onye nemena opulu. If onye nemeno wilisi yawe. Imelenja, imelema, what goes around must surely come around. If any always yeah, better pretty fair. Wepake mweno feti kwa laka madu inano. If onye metala opulu. If onye nemeno wilisi yawe.
Adana, what is it? This one you're back from work today early. I hope all is well.
Mama, I've been sacked again.
What? Sacked? Hey! What happened? Give me one everyone. I'm going to give everyone. Eh? Hey!
Jasper came to my place of work and asked them to sack me.
Again? Hey. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? What I've been telling you not to talk to a high chief in a bad manner. Our people are obliged to always respect them, whether good or bad. Hey.
Mama, just look at Jasper that I helped how many times before he wrecked me? And you want me to respect that imbecile that stole my money to collect chieftaincy?
My daughter, it is tradition. Now see how he has turned you into one month worker. Get a new job. You are sacked. If you get another one, you are sacked. Is this how you want to continue? Is this how you want to continue, my daughter?
Mama.
Hey.
Mama, I would rather go out of this land to look for a job than bow to that efule called Jasper. Rubbish!
Hey! Jasper has killed me. I won't scare, but she won't listen. Now see it. Hey. Adana, Adanna, my daughter, please, think about it again. Going to the city without having someone to stay with. Considering that you're a woman,
Mama, I thought we've talked over this all through the night. You don't have to worry yourself. I will be fine. I cannot sit down in this village and fold my hands just like Brother Jasper, who has refused to take up his responsibility as the only son of this family. Mama, I have to go before it's too late.
My daughter, this move is risky. Who are you going to stay with in that city? Who?
Don't worry, Mama. When I get to that bridge, I will cross it.
Adanna, my daughter. Hey. Okay. Chukwambiama, please help my daughter.
What is it? Where are you even going to? Everywhere, turn like this, turn like this, turn like this. I've been turning up and down. Where are you going to? Tell me. Huh?
Bros, please, just take me somewhere I can meet nice people.
Don't do me nice people. Huh? Madam, see, don't start. Don't start. It's too early for this rubbish. Give me my 700 naira. Let me go. I know your time. Give me.
Bros, please. I came from the village. This is my first time in the city. I don't know anywhere. I don't know anybody.
Oh wait! You mean you've been allowing me to turn up and dance? You don't even know your destination. You left the village, came to the city without having an address. Simba, don't start. Don't even start it. Madam, see, give my 700 naira now. Can rubbish talk with that one? See, I come as I come play.
Bros, if I even give you this 500 naira, I don't know where I still go. Okay, where are you?
I know it's not going to be easy, but I'll do my best.
Hey, thank you. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you. Thank you.
You're welcome. See, that is the spirit. We Nigerians, we are good people. We do almost everything for ourselves. Look at you, you are very beautiful. Most girls, they would have fled running after men, jumping from one man to another, just to survive. But you took a bold step. Same thing I did a few years back when I graduated. I had to tell myself the truth. After running about looking for jobs, there was no job, nothing. It had almost killed me. And I joined Keke business. Coming today, I'm riding Keke, a graduate.
You mean you are a graduate?
Yes, I'm a graduate. I was the best student in my class. I graduated with first class in computer science. But in a country whereby the government does not care about anybody, what will I do?
When you are riding keke.
Sister, if a beautiful girl like you take a bus there, leaving the village to the city where you don't even know anybody, what of a man like me? Huh?
My brother, I am tired of poverty. Eh? I have to run. How about Monso?
Well, just have your drink. Oh, like I told you, my house is not fine. But since you said you will manage, no problem. I'll take you to my house. Then from there, we'll start looking for you.
Hey, sir, thank you very much, sir. I will not take this kindness for granted. Thank you. I am so grateful. God will bless you. God will watch you. God will bless you.
Amen.
Mama. 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 To do their home chores for them. Does she not have hand? Or is her useless son's hand amputated?
Adana, shut up. Did I complain to you? Is it your sweeping? Eh? Why can't you just mind your business?
Hey! Mama, Mama, they have enchanted you. This is not you. Mama, over my dead body. Over my dead body will you sweep this house again? Yes, you are not their slave. Mama, listen to me. You are a wife just as Nene is. So you are not sweeping this house. Let them come and sweep the house by themselves.
Adonna, leave me now.
Mama, no, I am not leaving you. Come, let's go.
Mama, can
Mama, you will not sweep this.
I don't sweep.
Mama, you will not sweep it. Let them go. This time, useless son just like one sweep it. They have no sense.
They will fight me.
Mama, let them fight you. Let them come and fight you. Mama, no, let them come and fight you. Mama, no, let them come and fight you.
Yes, oh. What happened?
Ada fell down in the market.
Chiba! Wait, let me bring her drugs.
No, hurry, oh, she's dying.
Somebody help! My sister, please manage this 2,000. That's all I can afford. I'm sorry I couldn't raise the 7,000 naira you asked of. Or maybe you go somewhere else and see if you can complete it.
Oh, thank you, Ogadi. God bless you. And the problem now is that I don't know who to run to.
Chilugodo, what do you mean you don't know who to run to? How about Chief Jasper? How can you have somebody like Chief Jasper in your compound and you're going about asking for small amounts such as 7,000 naira?
Oh, God, please don't go there. Don't call Chief Jasper here. He's a very good man.
If he's such a good man, go to him and ask him of the money instead of going around begging for this small amount of money.
Thank you. Let me be going.
Okay. Ngwanu. Oh, all right. Help.
It's not high, chief. Just go straight to the point. My music is wasted. What is the problem? And so what?
Our medicine has finished. You know she is sick. I have raised 2,000 naira.
So because her medicine finished, that's why you came to obstruct the beautiful moment I was having with my Ogede people. Don't you have conscience? Don't you have conscience?
I said I am sorry. I still need 5,000 naira.
You need 5,000 naira. That I'll get from where? Eh? Don't try this thing again, no. Don't try this nonsense again in your life.
She's your sister.
Take.
This is 1,000 naira. I do not do anything. I need 5,000.
How can a beggar have a choice, Bikon? I gave you 1,000 from the one I have. You're still commanding me to give you more. Eh? Instead of you to say thank you. Anyway, I already know you have no sense. Take this one. If they burn you, will come there again. So you know why.
Lending you this money is not the problem. But you have to produce a male member of your family that will sign for you. That's just the problem.
Help me. Lend me this money. And I will bring it back by the end of this month.
See, Nkonya, let it not be as if I'm refusing you. This is a new law we reached out during our last executive meeting. It's not Media.
And this one is about my daughter. Don't let her die.
See, okay, calm down. Go and call Chief Jasper to come and sign for you. After all, this girl is his sister, and he wouldn't want his sister to die. Go and call him to come and sign for you. Biko. Oh. There's nothing I can do. You get young me Biko. I've tried for you. Go and call him. There's nothing I can do.
Aga eligwe erugo meligwe yo sore kwensi ya me aga eligwe anyị ga na-aga eligwe mụ na Jasper mo yo sore kwensi ya me anyị ga na-aga eligwe aga eligwe mụ na Jasper mo yo sore kwensi ya me anyị ga na-aga eligwe I don't know go. I'm gonna go. One self. Your face is looking like a goat that missed her period. You did give me. You did me. On the milk shaking.
Please, help me to beg your son. I beg you, please, for me. Beg him for me.
Whose son? Chief? Or which other one? Which other son do you have in this compound?
I mean your son. Hi, Chief Jasper.
Hi, Chief Jasper! Who? Hi, Chief Jasper, boy!
Hi, Chief Jasper. I want him to sign a surety before they will give me loan in the village meeting because...
Round. Be fool, you're an idiot. What kind of insult is this? I didn't go looking for anybody's trouble now. I was sitting on my own. You came again with your problem. To insult me and my son. Eh? You want to use my son's signature to borrow money from women's meeting? Yeah, but high chief in come wine. High chief from wine.
No, it's not that day. I don't know, my daughter is dying. Please help me talk to your son. Because...
all the medicine we have been giving her since, has she recovered? Eh? Open shorty game is here recover.
Recover. My daughter is dying.
Oh yeah, face your front. Oh yeah.
Oh no. You see, I love loyal people. I love the fact that you are very, very loyal and humble. Anything I tell you to do, you always do it. Eh? If you're doing such a thing, you and I will not have issues at all. Because this life is very simple. Okay. So,
you have done well, my chief. Thanks for coming.
My regards to your wife, eh?
She will hear you.
Your Lolo. Meanwhile, you see, I want to appreciate you for nominating me. This is a token of 10,000. So use it for miscellaneous.
Don't mention. This is a big one. I really appreciate it.
It's okay. It's okay. So, if there is any, so if there is any updates on anything, I will also keep you posted. Okay? All right. Bye. Okay. Bye. Okay.
Yeah. Call them just body got to rock. Yeah, just body got to rock.
Adu baby. Come.
Hey.
Guess what? Call me. Stand there. Guess what?
I should guess what?
Guess.
Then you came to my place of work. What is it? Tell me.
I have a very, 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 very big good news for you.
Good news. Tell me, my young.
Cool down, relax. Remember that my Oga, that my Americana Oga now, that used to speak Swiss, you not be hearing what he's saying. The one I told you traveled to America due to the pandemic, he has not come back.
Oh, I remember, you told me about him, I remember.
He just called me today. He called me today and he told me he's coming back soon to finish the railway project he started before the lockdown.
Oh, Chai, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. Now the good news. Now the good news.
Tell me the good news.
He just called me and he told me he's looking for maid that will work for him.
Maid?
Yeah, maid.
Take me now.
No.
Charlie, please take me.
No, I cannot give you that job.
I am capable.
We cannot work in the same place. I will not give it to you.
Kalia, Sir, anything he wants me to do.
You got the job!
Alright, don't worry. I've told my Oga that you're going to get the job. Just to like this, son. He's a nice man. You see him tall.
Hi guys.
Hi.
How are you?
That is the girl the maid you told me to bring.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Oh, her name is Adana. Then Ada, abbreviation in short.
Like, how do you say Ada what?
Ada.
Okay, Ada, nice to meet you. You're welcome. Have you told her about the job?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Awesome. Let me tell you how it goes. You come very early in the morning, and then you go late at night after work. Okay? Oh, you know what? You show her around, and then when you're done, come around for negotiation. You know what time it is.
All right, sir.
I'll see you guys soon.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Yes, one. Oga too good. Yes, now, yes. I've done everything. I did the underground. Now listen to me. You must work very hard. Make sure you wake up very early. You do all the house chores and everything. And make sure you're not always tired.
Okay. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go.
Ada, you're not gonna go today. Henceforth, you're gonna be staying with me in the house. And Charles, you can go home now. Listen, we got a problem here. Great. So Charles, I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
No, Adana, just tell me you're joking. Just tell me you're joking. Wait. Adana, you mean you're pregnant? Huh?
He forced himself for me the last 2 months when he came back from job. And since then, we have done it 5 times.
You have done it 5 times! 5 good times! 5! Adana, you are a disappointment. I'm disappointed in you. No, wait, after everything I have done for you, you stand in my face and tell me you're pregnant. You want me to be smiling? I should be happy with you. Huh?
Charles, please, don't be mad at me. It's not my fault. He forced himself on me. Please, Charles, I need you to help me tell him that I'm pregnant. Please.
I, Charles, should help you tell him that I'm pregnant. I, Charles, want to do that. I want to do it. The same way, the same method did you tell him you want to make love. Same way, go meet him and tell him you're pregnant. And please, count me out of the mess. Thank you. Now you can leave. Listen.
Good afternoon.
It's fine. It's fine. Listen. You just don't have to cry no more. Okay?
I'm very sorry, sir. I'm very sorry.
Why are you being sorry? You don't have to be sorry for being the mother of my baby. Listen. Will you marry me? I promise to take very good care of you. I'll protect you and I'll protect our baby too. And eventually we'll leave here and then go to my ward. Okay.
Sir, you called me, sir.
Yes, Charles, I did. Ada and I are planning our court marriage soon. And because you made this shit work, you're not going to be left out.
Yes, sir. Like you say shit.
Yeah, like our union, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you'll be driving us downtown to go see our people in 2 days.
Yes, sir. But Oga, considering the fact that it's a long distance and now the roads are not so safe, I will advise her. Okay. If she permits me, I will advise. Is it not better to fly? Yeah, to fly down, come back.
What do you think?
Yes, I think he's right. It's better for us to fly down to be faster because the journey to my village is very far.
Oh, I see. Okay, that means you all should get yourselves ready. We'll be flying downtown in 2 days then.
Yes, 2 days.
2 days.
Thank you very much, sir. But Oga, I go vomit. Yes.
How do you mean?
I don't like flights.
Oh, like you got phobia?
I've never flew in my life before, so I don't like it. First I will vomit, so what
are we going to do then?
Phobia. Alright. Also, I have somebody. I will call somebody to represent me, since I cannot make it. Permit me, sir.
It's alright, it's alright. So, in 2 days. Right? today, son. All right, Charles. See ya, baby. Let's go inside. All right, thank you, son. Yeah, man. Charles.
Be a
good boy.
Okay, sir.
Please, my daughter, please be strong for me. Because I know you are a strong woman. And Sebastian has promised to give me the money. And I will buy your complete drugs because you know. Hey, baby Kokwano. No, don't say you are tired. Kokwano, Sebastian will not disappoint me. Don't say you are tired. And no, hey, Ada. Hey, Ada, don't do this to your mother. Because no one Hey, I am the only one that will talk to you, and you will open your eyes for your mother. Ada, hey, Ada, Ada is not talking now. Ada, because no. Oh, Mama, look at your mother. Look at me now.
Beginning.
What is it? Huh? Again, what is it? Who dies and continues to breathe? Who dies and continues to breathe? When your husband died, was he still breathing? But you just said that she stopped breathing. Is it not good for you? Eh? The vegetable has finally perished. So now you have your peace. Don't touch me again, I'll slap your face, now you idiot. Just stop this noise before I pounce on you. Stop this noise now. Stop
Stop making noise. You're disturbing everybody. It's late already. Go and cover the cups. Just go. In the morning, we'll know how to go about it. If you touch me now, I'll slap your face. Go away from there. I'll bounce. I'll close your hand now.
Why has death chosen to be so wicked to me? Why? No, why? Within a short period of time, I have not even finished mourning my own father. Now Adana has just died like that after spending millions of naira. Why? They don't bring a differ. No, who will borrow me the heart to bear this loss? Is it you? Is it you or no? Or is it you? Ow! Hey!
You have tried, but God knows the best.
Death, it will never be well with
It will never be well with death. It will never be well with death. My only sibling. We are just two in this house, so me and Adana. Now Adana is gone, leaving me alone in this house. Hey! Bam, 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 bam. This is too heavy. Hey! Hey! No, don't say God. God is the giver of life. If death had told me what I would pay for my sister to be alive, I will pay double. I will even borrow money and pay for my sister to stay alive. Hey! Adana gone, so I will not see Adana again. No, so in this life I will not see Adana again. Instead, if I see her, I will run because the spirit. Hey! Adana. Hey! Thieves don't cry, but I don't mind though. I don't mind.
How do we go about the burial? Hi, Chief. What is your plan?
So far so good. No complaint at all. Yesterday I employed some guys to dig her grave. And they even added 2 feet on the 6 feet. They dug 8 feet. So far the grave has been dug and fully ready to...
No, we are not talking about digging grave. We are talking about your plan towards the burial ceremony.
There's no special plan. As you all know, a woman who has no child, no husband, doesn't deserve any extra cost of ceremony. It's a waste of money, a total waste of money. So it's a normal, I'll go to snap, go to, call people under one canopy, and that's all. What other way were you expecting?
No, High Chief. Adamna was properly married to her American husband before he died in the plane crash. And she was considered a family woman before she died.
Oh, consider. Did you people consider the millions I spent on her when she was still alive? Do you know how many doctors, international doctors from different countries I brought to this house to treat her? My friend, I spent millions of naira for 5 years on her head before she died. And you expect me to bring another money for burial ceremony? We
are not talking about something big. It mustn't be an elaborate burial. We're not burying a goat.
It can be.
You may not be elaborate, but you that is a burial committee chairman that oversees burial ceremony, don't you have money to buy, even though it's one bag of pure water? Or is it to open your mouth and start talking nonsense? Don't you have money to add for the burial? I'm telling you, the millions of naira. Okay, now who will now pay me the money back? But I'm not complaining.
No. High Chief, wait. It's your blood sister we are talking about here. Huh?
Is it strippers we are talking about before?
Okay.
Of course, I know it's my blood sister. And I'm telling you what I did for my blood sister when she was still alive.
Okay. Not to worry. I shall go home and make the burial costumes, and we'll see how we share it among ourselves.
Yes, that's all right. Chief, I want you to know that you are not in this alone.
Now it sounds fair. Because it looks like everybody is now leaving everything on my head.
Not like that.
Go here. Here is a list of the total costing of what it will cost to bury your daughter. And I give you 2 days to provide the complete money. Ngwa.
No. 160,000 naira. I should provide it in 2 days.
Yes, you should provide it. What is hard in that? From the money the kind-hearted condolence visit people will give you, your friends, families, the church, you gather enough. Maybe what will be remaining to complete the something will be very small. Just go and borrow that one and everything will be fine. Is that what is difficult for you?
But all the money people gave me is just 12,000 naira.
Go here, why are you like this? Your own daughter came there. Why do you like lying over little things like this?
Bane, I am not lying.
Have you ever told the truth before?
I am saying the truth.
Shut up! Shut up! When have you ever told the truth before? You're not lying. But anyway, that is your business. Provide the money, or I'll throw the vegetable carcass of your dead daughter into the grave like that and go and lie down. Is it my business? How does that affect me?
I'm saying the truth. I'm saying the truth. It's only 12,000 naira.
Hi, Chief Jasper. Please take heart. That is what all mortals must pay for. It is created by God Almighty. Take heart.
Wait, this is not fair. This is not fair at all. Tell me how will I cope? How will I cope? After all the money I spent on Adanna, after all the money, millions of naira, I spent on herbal medicine and both orthodox medicine, everything gone like that. Adanna decided to hang this on my neck. On my neck.
Julian Wayo. Hi, Chief Julian Wayo.
No.
She had no choice. If she had the choice, she would have stayed back. But we questions death.
Yeah, I will question death. I will. Spend the chegonin, all the money gone, even the mother. I'm even planning to send them abroad though. I've done the visas, everything is ready. Just like that. Just like that, the money for the visa, the money for the treatment, everything gone. Why would Adanna allow me spend millions of naira like that and still leave us in this world? No. I'm not sure I can cope. I'm not sure. I won't cope, Igwe. I know myself. Maybe tomorrow now, you people will hear another news. I know chiefs don't cry, but this one,
You are the high chief, remember?
This one touched me.
You will be able to cope.
Your Majesty, amen. This my son has suffered. He has suffered for this family. Who is
doctor? I've not been here.
He didn't come here. I wonder what would have happened if he wasn't a rich man. Or if this money he has had been in the hand of a very stingy family member. Oh, what can he do? They know that Nasiri what Hey! Wow! Adana Kadabino! Hey!
High Chief Jasper. Fear. Muna game mana on Bogo ani Jaji. You will be able to cope. God help those who help others. On your temenian, Obrukwan Nimurego. Take it easy.
Hey! Igwe, it's not that easy. It's not that easy. Who will call me brother? Who will I call my...
It's okay. Take it okay.
Oh, Ngwana. Kaiga funu wa yin malabe bubu onwe na akwasi zanya so motara onwe ya. It's okay, Bezina.
You're welcome, Your Highness.
No. I know how you feel. Obrona nyam medica ge jiwe to Jetazo. Okarinata. The Wandoza. Tears cannot bring her back. You have all tried your best.
Thank you, Your Highness.
We know you all tried your best, yes. Only God knows why. Please accept our sincere sympathy.
Thank you.
I know very well that you've been needing some support for the burial you are planning already. Please accept this 50,000 naira to support whatever you have for our burial.
Thank you, Your Highness. God will bless you.
We should be now.
What goes around will surely come around. If any less or yeah, better pretty
You just lost your daughter. You're not supposed to be moving around the village.
Please, Charlie. Please, help me with a loan to bury my daughter. I have 70,000 naira and need an additional 90,000 naira to complete the burial money. And I have my farmland in Ozara as collateral because.
But I heard that High Chief Jasper is taking charge of this burial ceremony. So
he asked me to go and look for the money myself.
That is not possible. Not High Chief Jasper, I know. He has been sponsoring burial ceremonies in this our community.
Please, help me with the loan. I will pay up before the closing of our women's meeting in October. My farmland is there as a collateral because...
If truly High Chief Jasper is aware of this, no problem. I'll give you the loan. But I'll first of all confirm from him before I give you the loan. Follow me, okay? Greetings, High Chief. I'm fine, sir.
Afongi. This one you're with her. I hope there is no problem.
Sorry for the interruption, High Chief. I came to seek for your order.
Okay, go ahead.
Nkonyere here came to ask for loan to bury her daughter. So, and she told me that you are aware.
Me aware? Muabu High Chief Jasper, aware of when? Eh?
No.
What is no?
High Chief, I told her to lend me 90,000 naira that I will give her my farmland as collateral.
Nkonyere, hey! Is this you? So this is you, Nkonyere? Something that you just told me, no. You are denying. High Chief, she's lying, no.
Dear lady, I know already. Thank God you're here and you're witnessing this thing. This is what I passed through in this house. They will go about using my name to defraud people, making me look like a bad person. Yeah? For your information, I have sorted everything concerning Adana's burial. All the expenses for the ceremony, I have sorted it out. So why would she come to be begging you money with my name?
And that's what I told her. So, Nkonyere, you came to my house to defraud the women's wing, Nkonyere, Giwa.
Charlie, leave this smart
woman. Come
now, let me
go, Joe.
Okunya lulu amalusia, ogwolu ginabia. What goes around must surely come around.
I shall be on my way, Mama. I'll be going to Owerri from here, where I'll proceed back to the city tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Please, here is the sum of 100,000 naira.
Hey.
It's a little token, please. Accept it
Yeah.
from our club members in the city.
Thank you very much.
At least it will be able to buy groundnut and mineral and biscuits. Yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
God bless all of you.
Amen. Please accept our sympathy.
It is well. You all have done well. Thank you.
Bye, Ma. I'll be on my way.
Okay, now. One, bye-bye.
Your face looks familiar.
Ifoma Adana's friend.
Oh, now I remember. Why you Telugu? But you see, you got it all wrong this time. I am not just Jasper. I am High Chief Jasper. As you can see.
Hi, Chief Jasper.
Very, very good.
I'm sorry. Please accept our sympathy.
Well, I've heard so many sorries, more than 1 million sorries, and still my sister is lying there in the mortuary. What can I do? That is how we've seen it. We just have to, we just have to take everything the way we've seen it. Adana left us just like that after spending millions of naira to save her life. Yet everything happened that way. What can we do?
Actually, I was delegated by our club members to come and see you guys and to contribute the sum of 100,000 naira. Please, you guys should accept it from us.
Chai. I don't know how to thank them all. My regards to them. Tell them that we are very grateful. We are very good. Do you have the money here?
No. I've given it to them inside.
Oh, you gave it to her mother?
Yes, I've given it to her.
You did, you gave, okay.
Any problem?
No. I just want to know the whereabouts of the money.
You sure?
Huh?
You sure?
Why you tell me? Which are you sure? I just want to know. It's okay. Okay, thank you for coming. It's
okay.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
What goes around must surely come around. If any mesolezo ye mecha potifa, wepake mano fetipo olakamadu inano.
Come here. So,
What is it?
Come on, give me that money.
Yeah, Jasper. In Apuala. Are you mad? Is something wrong with the interior part of your brain? Eh?
Are you talking to me?
Yes, I'm talking to you. How dare you want to take this money? If you don't get out, in fact, what charm did you put in your mouth? What charm did you put? Oh yeah, get out from my presence now! Get out! If you don't get out now, if you don't disappear, I will not only bite off your nose, in fact, I will tear you into pieces. Oh yeah, get out! I say leave!
Listen, let me tell you. If you don't give me this money now, your daughter will not be buried.
If you don't leave my presence now, I will not only bite off your nose, I will tear you into pieces. Oh yeah, get out! Are you still I said get out! Leave here now! Fool! Come on, get out! Onweki nyemdebe. Onweki nyemdebe. Denya. Chiwo wonyo de nanya. Uri ego. Ano ofia. Problem. Rubbish.
Monkey! So he waited for me to shout off my throat before he came to answer me. Huh?
And I will start by cutting that stick you call a throat if you come any closer to me. See how you're shouting, wah, wah, wah. Did you drink a madman's medicine?
What is happening here? No. This cannot be true. What is going...
Hey! Come on! Smell out of here! Smell out of here! The mother of a useless son. Look at you.
No. Something is definitely wrong somewhere.
Yes! What? It is you and Jasper, your wayward and useless son.
What is your problem? Pick up the broom now and sweep this entire compound. Now!
Hey! I want to start by sweeping the dirtiest part. Now come close, because I will start by sweeping the dirtiest part, which is your brain. I say come close. I say come close. Where are you going? You are running. Come close now. Look at her. Mad woman. Woo! Mother of a diva, Nekodi. Nwa gaferana ofuo. Oso ki na agba. Hey! Nekwani yo! Oboso wa no, oso ko na agba. Neni ya no onyori na agba oso anu ofia. This is just the beginning.
My friend, what is this? Water has filled the mouth of the toad, and it has finally crowed. Who are you talking about? Who else but Ngonyere? Ngonyere's mumu has expired. In fact, she has started fighting me already. How come? I used that same charm on my husband. Until today, it has not expired. So what happened to my own? I don't know. Do you know that she has become more violent than she was? In fact, before she was never violent, but now, so violent and aggressive. Fire burns in her eyes. Do you know that before I used to think I was the crazy one? But if you see Nkanyere now, she's advanced madness, advanced Allah, advanced craziness, advanced wicked, in fact, advanced amosu. Maybe the air she breathes is violence. The movement she makes, violence. In fact, her new name now is violence. Maybe F1. Not to worry. Sit down. Yeah? Sit down. Yeah. But what am I sitting? On your bed and walk on a choke. No, Lama. Hurry up. I'm going to sit down. One is over there. Take them sit down. Let me sit. If you insist, I should sit. No need. No. You got to hurry up now. King walk to her door. Hey!
What goes around must surely come around.
O mekwe. Walunka mo meme. Asana. Imehozo. Imehono. Gods of our ancestors. The spirits that rise with the morning sun. Your son, Jasper the goat, is here again. Tanoji. You see, I am here again with the promise that I made to you. I told you that on every Eke market day that I will present you with cola nuts and of course this hot drink that you use and wash it down. One of Maya. Eat and be at peace with my business. To accord. Drink and be at peace with my business.
He say,
no evil eyes shall see us.
He say, He say,
it shall be well with me and my household.
He say,
no weapon fashioned against me shall ever prosper.
He say,
if they are coming from the left, I will be at the right. If they are coming from the right, I will be at the left. If they are coming from middle and center, I will disappear.
Hey! Hi, Chief Jasper. Hi, Chief Jasper. King of Holland.
They will not see.
What is it? Is there anything on my face?
Wait, don't move. Wait! Mama, wait! Mama!
Hey! Chikoni! Nemo! Amukwana Nemo! Get Chikoni! Chico! Chico, look at my cheek. Chico, that's what wants to kill me. That's what wants to kill me. Jasper slapped me 2 times on my face. I didn't do anything to him. I was on my own in the house. He just came out from the inside of the house where he was sitting. I said he saw 2 big flies on my face. Before I knew it, wow! Oh, sorry. It's all on my face. The next one hurts like this, wow! On my face.
Is that why you said he wants to kill you? Because he killed fly on your face?
Hey, Chikode. Flies have their own slap. Like this. But this one was customized to kill me. Just wanted to kill me. Look at how reddish it is now. Can you feel it? What is it?
Very big fly.
What is it?
He's still there.
No! You want to kill me?
No, my elders. My daughter will not be buried until I find out who killed her. They say one thing must kill a man, yes. But in this case, somebody killed my daughter.
Who killed her now? Who killed her?
Gonya, why is it now that all the arrangements have been made for her burial tomorrow that you are bringing this one?
I hope you know the process involved in what you have just said.
That is what I want, nothing else.
Asking stupid question. What killed your daughter if not death?
Elders.
Eh?
Why are you listening to this man?
Okay, the deaths, other people died, were dead. Her own daughter was killed.
Exactly.
If I had known this is the reason you put someone this meeting, I would have gone to attend to better things.
Same here.
I come here, waste my time with this moron.
Same here. What am I doing here listening to this nonsense? How your miserable daughter died?
Jasper, it is you and your stupid mother that are useless. My elders, that is what I want. And I must get to the root of it.
My own mother, useless. You called my own mother, High Chief's mother, useless. High Chief's mother. Omuna. What was I saying? My own mother. Mama.
Mama, wait.
What is all this? Stop.
Hey! What do we call this one?
What is going on?
What goes around must surely come around. If any
Nene, is that you?
Is anything the matter?
Why are you sitting here holding me?
Answer.
Can you see the fire on my face?
No!
Hey!
I can't see even small one.
I think that he's enjoying it. He's slapping me since yesterday. He has been enjoying it.
Slapping you?
Yes.
Who?
Do you know High Chief Jasper? He said fly on my face. As if my face is a dustbin. We have fly patches.
No, sorry. So is that why you don't want to go?
Yes, I want to make sure he's not in the house. So he doesn't slap me.
Yo, let me be on my way.
House and find out if he has left the house. Yes.
What is it? Now I can see.
Very big. Don't shake.
Is he here?
Don't shake.
Is he here or
don't worry? Is that going to be hard?
It just.
Yeah.
So this is where I want you to dig the grave. Start from here. This is where you dig it. I don't want the normal 6 feet, alright? I want you to dig at least 8 feet so she will have space. Like parlor for her. Anytime she wants to come around to play, she can always play and go back to her room. I would have asked for balcony, but I'm not sure this place will be enough for her. So 8 feet, make sure she has enough space, playing space. Okay, Chief. Very good. You even look like a professional digger. So you will start now because tomorrow is the burial. There won't be any. Let me go and start making the necessary other preparations.
It's your burial that will hold tomorrow. You and your mother's burial holds tomorrow. Tomorrow will be wagging everyone.
So your madness is back from holidays, right?
Nobody digs fame here. I will not bury my daughter Adana. I will find who killed her before you bury her. I'm still consulting traditional autopsy already, so you people should wait. Nobody digs anything here.
So apparently we should wait for your madness or your poverty to leave you before we bury Adana.
Ngwano, dear me.
You see, today I'm in a very good mood. Normally you know me, so let me know if you want to go further into treating this your madness. Anna,
and I will slap you again. Oh yeah, get out! Get out from my compound! Hey! No fear. Ugbu onwe gị ị na-egbu ini.
What goes around must surely come around. If any mesoles oye metrapoti fair, wepake mweno fetipo olaka madu inano. If onye metala opulo if onye nemeno wilisi yawe. Alumina palapa mwelo kwalo. If onye nemeno wilisi yawe. If onye nemena opulo. If onye nemeno wilisi yawe. Imelenja, imelema,
Is that your name? What are you doing with helmets on? Prevention, they say, is better than cure. Eh? That charm is not working. I want us to go to another native doctor. Dibia Hakaba is the best Dibia I know. I'm surprised you're saying this. I'm suspecting that the charm is working in opposite direction, opposite. Because people have been slapping me. I would suggest you go and explain to him. I'm sure he will have something to do to make things right. If you say that is the best thing to do, let us quickly go there now. Let us go now. My house is on fire. Let us come.
I don't know. My head is pounding.
What happened to you now? Tell me now, so my head is pounding. Did anybody hit your head?
Who?
Who?
Then go ahead. That just slapped me with your child.
And so what? Who is the mother of that madman? Why not Sharon? Eh?
How dare you slap my son with your child?
And so what? Give me Messia. Go here now. Who said give me? Give me. Go here. Eh? Oh, you can now. Give me. Give me back. Give me Messia. What is this? Eh? So you brought Shark to the house? Hey, why? Go. Hey, Nene. Chimo. Hey!
touch the ground. Now, the charm has touched the ground. So the ground has opened up to eat me. I am now put to the ground.
Hey!
Put to the ground. Put to the ground.
Carbonara!
Hey!
Hey! Ora bodo piano! Piano kupari tena po! Hey!
Papa said.
Ora bodo!
Papa said.
Piano kuno fitena po!
Papa said.
What goes around must surely come around. If any mesoles or ye metapotifa, webwake when no fetipo like a madu inanu. If only metala opulo, if only nemeno will see away. Alunina palapa mwelo kwalo. If only nemeno will see away. If only nemena opulo. Imelemba, oh, what goes around must surely come around. If any mesoles or ye metapotifa, webwake when no fetipo like a madu inanu. If only metala opulo, if only nemeno will see away. Alumina palapa mwelo kwalo.
I've been looking for it.
If only nemena Imelemba.
That's my buzzer. That's my buzzer. That's my buzzer.
If only will see madu inanu. If only metala opulo, if only nemeno will see away. Alunina palapa mwelo kwalo. If only nemeno will see away. If only nemena opulo. If only nemeno will see away. Imelanja, imelemba.
What am I hearing? What is hearing that? Hey! My sister, let me hold on. Please, nobody knows that. She wants to
What goes around must surely come around.
Ezemo, this is how he has been weeping for some days now. What kind of migraine burns on one's head like fire?
Oh dear. Don't worry, I'm here now. Everything will be all right. Mba. Abomination.
What did the gods show you? Did they say Uncle you have a hand in
He is suffering because of the evil deeds he did against his late sister. That is why he's suffering. And he will not come out of it until the late sister's ghost is appeased. Okay, that's one. Vice versa. Action. What a pity! His late sister's ghost is haunting him because of the evil he did against her while she was alive. And until she is appeased, he will tarnish. He will suffer in pains.
What do we do? I mean, how do we solve this problem?
Only the girl's mother will tell you what she wants. And that is the message.
Ezemo, what do we do? I mean, how do we solve this problem? How?
Only the girl's mother will tell you what she wants. That is the message from the gods. Onye koto obulu. Onye koto obulu. Onye koto obulu. Kaka.
Hello, hello, hello. Do you hear me? Now, see how you have been begging for days just because of migraine. But you squandered your sister's money and made her suffer till death. The pain you caused us in this family is worse than migraine. You shall perish in this pain until I find it in my heart to forgive you one day. That I promise you. What about if for? You've never seen anything yet.